guys, I'm gonna be playing Don't Press the Button. Alright, let's go. I don't know if I've played this, but I know how to play it. Wait, gifts are falling, catch them all and place them on the correct conveyor. Green, 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 green. Yellow. Yellow, yellow. Red. Red. No. Bro. Okay, red, red, red. No! No, 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 no. Right. Okay, 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 red. Red. Okay, red. Yellow. Blue. What? Blue, blue. That's 13 presents? That's a lot. Press it. Well, correct pad? I think it's this one. How? How did you find that one? Tsunami, tsunami, tsunami. Guys, there's a tsunami. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's the tsunami? I don't see no tsunami. I don't see no tsunami. Bro. Stop. Stop. I don't wanna get dragged away by the tsunami. Here. Oh my gosh! That tsunami is so big. Well, press it. Okay, pressed it. Bubble wrap. Yay. It's so laggy for some reason. Is it because of the pops or is it because of the graphics? Yeah, it's because of the pops. Because of how many of these are. But why is someone popping them if these aren't even entertaining in Roblox? It's only in real life. Okay, there. Press. Okay, pressed it. Oof run? Okay, she has to stop us from going there. Oof run. Bro. Okay, thank you. Oof run is trash. Bro, you're all the way at the end. Bro. Bala, of course you wouldn't be going through that. Oh, you think that spikes can stop me? Bro! Haha! Let's go. Click. Tsunami again. Okay, this time I gotta be the first one there. Okay, I better not. I better not lose. No, no, no. I'm gonna oof. I'm gonna oof. No! Again like last time. Stop getting on top of the button. Bubble wrap. Oh gosh, it's gonna start getting really laggy. There's a diamond on the... Let's see. That bacon wanted to get it. But you just oofed yourself. But I'm just gonna wait until this thing finishes. Oh wait, it finished. Ducks are falling from the sky. It's raining ducks. Okay. Okay, I got one. Got one duck. 2 ducks. No. Where's it raining most ducks? Oh, here there's a duck. 3. There's a bacon here that literally has 0. Oh, hi, duck. No, there's another one coming here. Hi, duck. Ooh. Time's up. Bruh. 6 ducks. That's a little bit. I almost reached there. I'll do 2 more rounds. Or 3 more rounds. I'll do 3 rounds. What is even happening? Oh! I see. Oh. We're getting eaten. No, stop. Stop. No, I don't want to get eaten. Okay. Two more. $27 blows. 33 blows? 33. 33? Oh gosh, a lever? A lever? I'll try to find it. I think it might be somewhere in here, hiding in the bushes. Okay, no, but nothing in the bushes. What? How? How? How did he find it? Bella, open the treasure chest. Why? Why? Oh, wait, I'm good at obbies. No! Stop. I'm back. Tornado? Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. What? The tornado has like... The tornado can like see you or something. Get on the blue fat platform quick. No one even got on there. No one even got on the blue platform at all. That quick. Baldy? No, Baldy, stop. Alright, I'll go one more round. One more round and that's all I'll do. Oh my gosh. There was an explosion. Baldy's allergic to this guy. Okay, this is the final one. Traffic light is green or yellow. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm good at this. Green light. Yellow light. Red light. No! Once this one is finished. Alright, you know what? Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. Alright, now it's really goodbye. Goodbye.